Since 1995, Advanced Micro Instruments, or AMI, has been transforming the world of trace gas analyzers. With our dedication to superior design, breakthrough technology, and a passion for providing reliable and cost-effective gas analyzers, we encourage our customers to experience the AMI difference. Our mission? To provide our customers with solutions to detect, measure, and monitor critical process parameters, allowing them to operate safer, cleaner, and more efficient operations. Our trace oxygen, hydrogen sulfide, and moisture analyzers, with our industry-leading reliability and value, make AMI a trusted partner for the largest midstream natural gas pipeline operators and renewable natural gas producers, as well as many leading companies in a wide range of industries, including aerospace, semiconductor, food, chemical, laboratories, and air separation. Behind the scenes at AMI, our cross-functional team breathes life into our mission. Their collective expertise is at play during our cross-functional shop floor and production meetings, where innovative ideas are transformed into practical solutions. At the heart of our innovative approach is our unique Eliminator Cell Block, an ingenious solution that consolidates an analyzer's critical components into a single flow-efficient cross-drilled solid metallic block. And thanks to our product design, assembly is smooth and efficient, streamlining the production process. Gone are the long lengths of tubing and leak-prone fittings of traditional gas analyzers. This technology reduces size, complexity, and cost while boosting performance. Beyond the value the Eliminator Cell Block brings to our customers, it also keeps our production operations lean, allowing AMI to efficiently produce a wide range of analyzers with minimal resources. Every stage of our process reflects our commitment to quality and efficiency. Whether it's the full thermal testing of every moisture analyzer produced, automated quality testing of PCB boards, or carrying out the detailed work in our manufacturing, we leave no stone unturned. With measures like receiving inspection of critical parts, multi-hour gas and thermal testing of every sensor produced, and fully automated gas testing of every analyzer before shipment, our rigorous quality control will ensure our products are nothing short of perfection. From the moment an order arrives, our team springs into action. Within just one day, we can configure, test, and ship our analyzers thanks to our efficient process and readily available finished goods inventory. AMI, in concert with our local supply partners, has quick access to the array of raw materials needed to build our leading-edge products. On any given day, our facility is a hive of activity and precision, balancing high output with meticulous quality control. But our commitment doesn't end with product delivery. Our dedicated team offers comprehensive support, providing technical assistance, repairs, and calibrations to ensure our analyzers perform at their best, even after they've left our facility. And rest assured, no matter how or what kind of challenging conditions your analyzer may have been subjected to, a unit can be sent back to our factory service team so they can breathe new life into it, ensuring it leaves again in pristine condition. At AMI, we're not just producing gas analyzers, we're shaping the future of trace gas measurement. Advanced Micro Instruments. Superior technology, unmatched service, unbeatable value.